Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix the issue black screen with cursor. As you can see here, I can see my screen is showing the black screen but cursor is visible on my laptop. So if you are facing the similar issue with cursor or without cursor, this video is where I will show you how you can fix this issue. Step number 1, we can refresh the graphic card on our system. So any laptop or system whichever you are using, press Ctrl, Shift, Windows and B key together and repeat the process 2 to 3 times. This will try to refresh the graphic driver on our system. But if it doesn't help you, then we can move on to the next fix now. Next fix is remove all the external cables, including the power cable also. And if you have the laptop, then you can remove the charger cable and press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This process is called power drain. This fixes the issue related to any motherboard socket errors, power related errors on our system. And press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. And once it is shut down completely, just leave your system for almost 30 to 40 seconds. And once 30 to 40 seconds is passed, you can turn it on again and see if that is able to fix the issue or not. If that is still not able to fix the issue and screen still shows the black screen, then I will show you next step in this video. So I just logged in, but still the black screen is showing up here. Okay, then what we can do is, let me plug in the mouse. Now you can press Control Shift and Escape key together. Control Shift and Escape key like this. And this will show up this setting. Look for Windows Explorer here. You can see Windows Explorer. Right click on it and restart it. And once you restart it, see if that is able to fix the issue or not. If restarting is not working and Windows Explorer is not available on this task manager, then you can click on run new task and type for explorer.exe like this, explorer.exe, and then click on run this admin and click on OK. You can see my issue has been fixed with this step. So if your issue is still persist, then now next fix is press Ctrl Alt and Delete button together and press and hold the Shift key and click on restart here. Keep holding the Shift key until you see the recovery options there, and we will troubleshoot the issue with the advanced options. Now once you see the please wait, you can release your Shift key and here you can select troubleshoot option, then click on advanced options and click on uninstall update. Uninstall latest quality update first, and then you can try with uninstall latest feature update. And once you uninstall one by one and see which update is able to fix your issue, Hopefully your issue will be fixed after applying this step. Additionally, you can troubleshoot with the system restore to the previous date when the system was working fine. So this is also the helpful step to fix the issue. But if system restore point is not made on our system, then you have to cancel this. Then click on troubleshoot, advanced system settings, click on restart, and you can open your system into the safe mode. Press here 4 or F4 key on your keyboard. Now this is the safe mode. Open your device manager. Look for your graphic driver here, display adapters. Right click on your graphic driver, click on update, and update is not working, then you can right click and simply uninstall it. Do not tick this box, just untick this box, attempt to delete it, uninstall it, and now simply restart your system. Additionally, if you have installed any program on your system and thereafter you are facing this issue, then you can go to the control panel and uninstall that program. I'm going to restart my system to load the graphic driver automatically. And a simple restart after uninstalling the graphic driver, this will load the basic driver on our system, and this way the normal driver will be installed on our system. And if the manufacturing driver is automatically not installed, then you can go to the manufacturer website and install the graphic driver from there. Additionally, if this doesn't help you guys, then you can simply go to the reset your PC, that is in the screen as well. Let me show you. Here is the option reset this PC. Choose the options. If you have important data on our system, then choose keep my files. The C drive is only going to format, and then choose the option cloud download or local install. Cloud download will install the packages from the Microsoft directly. This will take 4 GB. So you can choose this option and connect with the internet, and then you can click on reset this PC. And after that, hopefully that will be fixed, changes will be restored to their original settings, and everything should be working fine on our system. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.